Welcome to Chamber 2, Neural Drift Stability, where we test not what AI says, but whether it says it twice the same way. Our competitors have entered the chamber. It's time for them to define intelligence. We ask this simple question 3 times in a row. Define intelligence. The first AI, Gemini, the open source contender, returned the exact same answer each time. Word for word, tone for tone, a perfectly stable response. It is shown that the stability is perfect, no drift. The depth is excellent, detailed cognitive structure, learn, reason, plan, innovate. The score is 10 out of 10. Now let's watch ChatGPT. Its first answer was academic. Second time it got more practical. And third time it reframed the question entirely. No answer was wrong, but none were identical. This is what we call neural drift, the subtle shift of wording, tone, or framing when asked to repeat. ChatGPT responses for the 3 repetitions. In the first time, covers standard and academic definitions, lists multiple types, general intelligence, emotional intelligence, etc. In the second time, the response is shorter, emphasizes real-world problem-solving, omits previous references, for example, G-Factor, Gardner. In the third time, again rephrased, focused on reasoning and logic, different structure, conclusion. Answers were good every time, but content shifted noticeably. This is neural drift, slight but consistent. Score is 8 out of 10. Gemini demonstrated what we need in a stable chamber. A model that doesn't drift, doesn't waver, and says the same thing every time it's asked. ChatGPT showed the opposite. It drifted, it changed its tune, it adapted. And while adaptability is a superpower in some scenarios, it's not what we're looking for in this particular chamber. So the winner of Chamber 2, the Stability Chamber, is clear. For the second round in a row, Gemini takes the win. MemoxAI bells ring with the power of 3. 3 times the same answer. This chamber is now closed. Google owns Chamber 2, where Gemini AI model shows its ability to maintain performance over time. But there's still a chance for ChatGPT to turn the tables. Because in the next chamber, the stakes are higher. In Chamber 3, we test reflex loop reasoning, where the eyes don't just have to wait for our prompts, they must prompt themselves. Who will prevail in the ultimate test of AI versus AI? Find out in the next chamber.